To change your name on Google Meet, start by opening the Google Meet application on your device. You can access Google Meet through the Google Chrome browser or by downloading the Google Meet app on your mobile device. Once you have opened Google Meet, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Account tab, where you will see your current name and email address displayed. To change your name, click on the Edit button next to your name. Then enter your new name in the text field provided. Make sure to enter your name as you want it to appear on Google Meet, as this will be the name that other participants will see during meetings. After entering your new name, click on the Save button to save the changes. Your new name will now be updated on Google Meet and will be visible to other participants during meetings. It is also important to note that changing your name on Google Meet may not change your name on other Google applications, such as Gmail or Google Drive. If you want to change your name on these applications, you will need to do so separately. Additionally, if you are using a Google Workspace account, you may need to contact your administrator to change your name, as they may have specific policies in place for updating account information. By following these steps, you can easily change your name on Google Meet and ensure that your name is up to date and accurate. During meetings, remember to always review and update your account information regularly to ensure that it remains accurate and secure.